Hi everyone, it is the holiday season and we are so ready for it here at Delphi. Our new holiday catalog is just coming off the printer and we wanted to share with you something very exciting. On our back cover we have a brand new exclusive cream of the crop artisan factory pack from Youghiogheny. And we wanted to take a second today and unbox it with you. This exclusive pack is available only here at Delphi. It is online and in stock now. It includes 10 pieces of hand-picked factory glass from Youghiogheny. Each of these pieces is a generous 10 by 12 size. If I can undo the tape and take a peek. Oh my goodness. This box is so well packed, you guys. Holy moly. We want to make sure it gets to you safely. Youghiogheny always does a great job with their glass. All right, let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Blue, purple, green, beautiful stipple. You'll notice that Youghiogheny always has their item numbers here on the glass, which is great. So if you find a piece that you absolutely love, you can easily reorder it. Let's see this one. Oh, a beautiful modeled. How fun is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, look, a streaky granite. I don't know how well you guys can see that beautiful texture. That would be gorgeous for an outdoor piece. And a stunning mottled. That ring model there. How beautiful. Another beautiful streaky. Again, with that awesome granite texture. That'll add depth to any project. Oh, can you guys see how beautiful this iridized coating is? It really makes the simple white mottled glass pop. And the beautiful red opal stipple. And the beautiful streaky purple. And last but certainly not least, another beautiful green stipple. Now each of these packs, like I mentioned, are hand-picked, so the packs could be different depending on what glass was selected at the Youghiogheny factory. But if you are looking for a gift to give to your stained glass friend, or want to give a gift to yourself so you have one under the Christmas tree that you know you're going to love, this is the perfect pack.